Okay, now let's draw a chip class RDL. Let's go to folder 3.2 and open the layout view, layout underscore lab under chip underscore class underscore RDL. Okay, so we're going to duplicate this layout. First, we're going to insert the pattern from layout underscore EM view under the pattern cell view. Second, we're going to mirror this against Y. So pick it, either use this one or, at the command quick line here, it says Shift plus Y. I can go Shift plus Y and mirror it. And third, I'm going to move some of the structure from this side to this side. So I'm going to measure the distance. So here is X, here's Y. I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to line up these two layout vertically. Okay, so I click on this button, layout command line reference. I'm going to use a DY, which means move by Y. Okay, with certain distance. So I go DY, paste, and let me get rid of that, and again, get rid of that. And I go minus. So I want to move the pattern down. I need to pick it and then move it down. Okay, now they lined up. So next, I'm going to move the vias and also those pads, some of the pads here. I'm going to pick them first. And Control, select. I'm still pressing my Control key and select all of them. Now I'm going to move these guys over to this side. So this time I'm going to use a copy. So copy, if you go there, you find the command is CX. Okay, I'm going to copy to the distance that I just measured. And press enter, and then they're all here. Okay, so the last one is to do the routing. The routing, actually, let me just use the empty space to show you the routing. So you could use this one called Insert Trace, or you can go Insert Trace. Here's a hotkey called a T. Okay, and then when we do the routing, first you need to pick the layer that you want to draw. So let's find out what this guy's layers are. So click on here, and let's go to the Properties tab, and here it said RDL underscore routing. Okay, so we're going to insert a trace and under RDL routing. Okay, and when I do a routing, left click, and I can move to different directions. But when I do 9, it only allows me to do 90 degrees. If I press 4, and it allows me to do 45 degrees as well. And if I do 0, it will allow me to do any degree that I want. Okay, and then at the end, before I finish, I just leave it loose. Okay, and then use my space bar, press enter, and then I'm done. Okay, so now you can go and route this router traces here, okay? And don't worry about the connection on this side. We're just practicing the routing. So you can go, let me go T, and go here. I'll make 90, okay? I'll do 9 and zoom in, okay? And press enter again. Enter. Now I'm going to go from here. And so on, okay? And do as many as you want. Okay, now the last one I want to ask you, what is the best way for me to line this one, get the origin of this structure? So I would say, because we measured here and here, right? All you need to do is to move the structure by this distance. So we can delete this. And choose the entire structure. And we're going to go, this is CX. I'm going to do DX minus. And now I'm at the right origin.